Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will explain everything about my Forex account management service. First, I will show you my past results which you can also verify on my Telegram community at the rate GMT Trader. Then I will explain exactly how my account management system works. And finally, I will answer the most common question that clients usually ask questions about safety, risk, profit sharing, refunds, and more. So make sure you watch this video until the end because all the answer you need are right here. Forex is the largest financial market in the world with trillions of dollars traded every single day, but success here is only possible with proper planning, discipline, and risk management. I have already managed multiple clients' accounts successfully, and for complete transparency, I share all these results in my Telegram community at the rate GMT Trader. Let's go through some of the accounts I have managed so you can see the journey step by step. Account number 1, deposit $2,000, profit $1,015. Account number 2, deposit $1,500, profit $3,570. Account number 3, deposit $1,000, profit $1,990. Account number 4, deposit $1,000 and profit $1,127. Now let me share a special case from August 2024 which really highlights the strength of my trading strategy. This account started with just $1,000 and here's how it grew. First step, $1,000 grow to $3,700, profit of $2,814 in just 5 days. Next day, balance moved from $3,700 to $3,900. Following week, $3,900 grew to $5,669, profit of $1,850. After that, there was a small stop loss, balance adjusted to $5,587. Next step, $5,587 to $6,693, and account equity reached $12,280. After a few small trades, $12,280 increased to $12,980. Then a big opportunity, $12,980 to $19,430, profit of $6,574. Finally, with one strong step, $19,430 grew to $25,250 profit, and the account reached an amazing $44,550. All of these results are real accounts, real profits, and real proofs. You can see every step transparently on my Telegram community at the rate GMT Trader. How my account management service works. Your funds always stay in your own broker account. I only get trading access, deposits, and withdrawals remain 100% under your control. You can start with a minimum equity. The profit sharing system is very simple, 50% trader, 50% client. Your job is easy. You open the account, keep your funds safe in it, and I take care of the trading strategies and risk management. You can monitor everything in real time on MT4 or MT5 from your own phone or laptop. Now let's move toward the questions and answers because these are the things clients usually want to know before starting. Question number 1, is my money safe in account management? Yes, your funds always stay in your own broker account. I only get trading access. I cannot deposit or withdraw from your account. This means your money remains 100% in your own control. Question number 2, what is there is a loss? Will I get a refund? Forex is a real market and like every investment, there are risks. I use strong risk management to minimize losses, but there is no refund and no guarantee. Losses are a natural part of trading, and no one can promise zero risk. What I can promise is transparency, discipline, and professional strategies. Question number 3, how does profit sharing work? and when is it sent? Profit sharing is simple, 50% for the trader and 50% for the client. The mostly weekly basis preferred depending on what is convenient. Clients send my share through Binance USDT TRC20 Tron network. This way the process is smooth, transparent and fast. Question number 4, how much profit will I earn? Profit depends directly on the size of your investment. The higher your equity, the greater the profit potential. With a small account, returns will also be small. With a larger account, profit can grow much faster. Remember, I always priorities save and consistent growth instead of gambling or over leveraging. Question number 5, what is the minimum investment required? You can start with the minimum equity depending on the broker requirements, usually around $5,000. But of course, higher capital always provides better stability and higher earning potential. Question number 6, how can I see my profits and trades? Very simple. You can log into your broker account anytime using MT4 or MT5. Every trade, every profit, and the overall growth of your account will be visible to you in real time. Question number 7, why should I choose this service instead of copy trading or signals? Copy trading and signals are not always consistent, and most of the time you don't have control over the strategies. With account management, I personally manage your account with custom strategies, strict risk control, and full transparency. And unlike random services, you can verify my past results on Telegram at the rate GMT Trader before making any decision. So, friends, this was a complete overview of my Forex account management service. So, if you are serious about growing your funds with discipline and proper strategies, now it's your turn. Contact me directly at the rate Master Asif and let's make your account the next success story. And don't forget subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and share it with others who want to achieve consistent profit through forex trading. Thank you so much for watching this video and I wish you the best of luck in your trading journey.